Hello students, welcome back to the chapter Relations and Functions. In the previous video, I gave introduction for relations. Today, see the problems based on relations topic, that is exercise 2.2. See the first one is, let capital A equal to set of 1, 2, 3 and so on 14. Define a relation capital R from A to A. Actually the relation defined from one set to another set, that is A to B, X to Y, like that. But here both the sets are A only. It is the set itself, that is A to A only. How we defined X comma Y, the ordered pairs? In the relation there are ordered pairs. So what is the relation between these variables X and Y? 3x minus y equal to 0, where X comma Y belongs to A. That means X value, Y value should be from the A only, from this set only. So here two important points are there. First one is the relation between X and Y, and one more important point is here X value, Y value compulsory belongs to A only. X value should be in the A, Y also should be in the A only. That is the important point. Now see, what is the relation given here between X and Y? That is 3x minus y equal to 0. So from this one, y equal to, what you can write, send y to this side. So y equal to 3x. Y equal to 3x. So here, previously given x value, y value compulsory from A only. So what is the A here? A set is 1, 2, 3 and so on up to 14. Just imagine these are the X values, and Y values also should be belongs to A only. So again I am taking A is 1, 2, 3 and so on 14. These are the Y values. These are the X values. These are the Y values, because X comma Y belongs to A. Now come to me. First I am taking X value is 1. I want to substitute. If X equal to 1, if X equal to 1, then what is the Y value? That implies Y equal to, substitute 3 into 1. X value is 1, here substitute. 3 into 1 is 3. Now, this Y value is 3. This 3 is in the A or not? We have to check. Here X equal to 1 is in the A, yes, correct. And the answer, the result, Y value 3 is in the A or not? Yes, 3 is in the A. So 3 belongs to capital A. Now we can take the ordered pair. What is that one? X comma Y. The ordered pair he given, that is X comma Y. Now what is X comma Y? 1 comma 3. The ordered pair is 1 comma 3. So 1 comma 3 is in the relation. 1 comma 3 is in the relation. See here. Here you have to remember one thing. Which ordered pairs we have to take? Means which ordered pair satisfy this equation? Which ordered pairs satisfy this equation? That ordered pairs we have to take. That means if 3x minus y equal to 0, then x comma y belongs to the relation. That is the condition given. If 3x minus y equal to 0, then x comma y belongs to capital R. Now see, if you want, you can check this one. Substitute 1 comma 3 in the relation. If it is 0, then it is correct. Substitute here. X value is 1, y value 3. X value is 1, y value 3. 3 into 1. 3 into 1 minus y value 3. 3 into 1, 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. 0 equal to 0. Equation satisfied. So that's why I took that ordered pair in the relation. Next, x value 1, x value is 2. That is, if x equal to 2, substitute here, y equal to x value 2, 3 into 2. That is 3x. X value is 2. 3 into 2. That is 6. Now this 6 belongs to A or not belongs to A. Check that one. Y value. These are the y values. So 6 in the A. Yes, 6 is in the A. So we can take the order pair. X value 2, y value 6. 2 comma 6 belongs to A. If you want, you can check this 2 comma 6 also. Substitute here. 3 into x value is 2 minus y value 6. 3 into 2 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. Yes, correct. That ordered pair satisfy our condition. So it is belongs to the relation. Next, if x equal to 3, next value, x value is 3. What is the y value? 3 into 3. That is 9. Now this 9 is belongs to or not belongs to A? These are the y values. So in the A, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 14 is there. In the 14, 9 is there. So 9 is belongs to A. So we can take the ordered pair 3 comma 9. 3 comma 9 belongs to the relation. Next, if x equal to next value is after 3 4. Next, what is the y value? That is 3 into 3x. X value is 4. 3 into 4. That is 12. This 12 is in the A or not? Yes, it is in the A. A values are 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 14. So 12 is in the A. So we can take the ordered pair. X value 4, y value 12. It is 4 comma 12. Belongs to R. Next, if x equal to 5, next value you have to take after 4 it is 5. If x equal to 5, y equal to 3 into 5, it is 15. Now see here, y equal to 15. Now this y 15 is in the A. It is not in the A because what are the A values? A values are 1, 2, 3 and so on up to 14 only. But here y value is 15. So 15 is out of the set A. In the set up to 14 is there. So 15 is it is out of the set. So when it is out of the set, we cannot take y value. Which values within the set? That values we have to take. If it is out of the set, don't take that values because he mentioned here, he given the condition x value, y value compulsory belongs to A, in the A only, not from the outside of the A. So it is not belongs to A. So the ordered pair 5 comma 15 not belongs to R, not in the relation R. Suppose if we take x equal to 6, just a minute. If x equal to 6, y equal to 3 into 6, it is 18. Again this 18 also out of the set. So 18 is not in the set. 18 is not in the set. When it is not in the set, this ordered pair 6 comma 18 also not in the relation. In the same way, if you take any element after 4 you can take any element, that is y value is not in the set. That's why we can stop the process up to here only. We have to stop the process up to here only. So, what is the R now? R equal to which order pairs we can take? That means I am adding in the roster form. This is set builder form. This one is set builder form. Now this is I am adding in the roster form. That is 1 comma 3. Next 2 comma 6. Next 3 comma 9. Next one is 4 comma 12. Can you take 5 comma 15? No. It is not belongs to R. Not belongs to relation. So close by this one. This is the R. Now see here. I am taking mapping here. For better understanding purpose, I am taking the mapping. This is A. That means here first I am taking first is X values. This is Y values. This is X values. This is Y values. This X value, Y value compulsory from A only. So it is A. It is also A. In the A, which elements we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and so on up to 14. Here also A elements same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and so on 14. Now take the mapping. These are the X values. These are the Y values. So first values are X values. In the ordered pair, first values are X values. Second values are Y values. So X value is 1, Y value 3. So 1, 2, 3. The mapping is 1, 2, 3. X value is 2, Y value 6. That is 2, 2, 6. Next, X value is 3, Y value 9. 3 to 9. Suppose here 9 is there. Suppose here 12 is there. 3 to 9. Next, 4 to 12. X value 4, Y value 12. 4 to 12. So it is the mapping. So previously I given, if you have mapping, how to find domain, range, and codomain. So what is the domain? Domain is the set of all first elements. The set of all first elements which are in the relation. Which are in the relation. See here. These are the first elements. 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 elements only in the relation. In the relation means they have mapping. They have mapping means in the relation. That is the meaning. So remaining 5, 6, 7 and up to 14, there is no mapping. That means that are not in the relation. Otherwise, so you can check like this also. It is the relation. In the relation, first elements 1, 2, 3, 4. That is the domain. In the relation, first elements 1, 2, 3, 4 are the domain. 1, 2, 3, 4. It is the domain. Next, what is the range? the set of all second elements which are in the relation, so in the relation 3 is there, second elements 3, 6, 9, 12. These are the range. See here also 3, 6, 9, 12, which are in the relation. That means which elements have mapping. That is 3, 6, 9, 12. That is the range. Domain means the first elements in the relation. Range means the second elements in the relation. Remember the word. So at last, codomain. Codomain means the set of all second elements, entire second set. In this one, it is the first set, it is the second set. The all elements either in the mapping or not in the mapping also. The elements which are in the mapping and which are not in the mapping, all the elements considered as codomain. So these all elements in the second set, all elements goes to be codomain. That is 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on up to 14. So it is the codomain. Now we understand the difference between range and codomain. Range is second elements, codomain also second elements. But range means the elements which are in the mapping or the elements which are in the relation. That elements are called range. Codomain means entire elements, all elements, either in the mapping or not in the mapping. That is codomain. So what he asked here? Write its domain, codomain, range. So domain, range, codomain. And I wrote in the roster form. This is the roster form. This is the set builder form. So it is the first column. See, the next problem is, he defined a relation on natural numbers. That relation is y equal to x plus 5. Condition is y equal to x plus 5. Here x is less than 4. X value is less than of 4. And x value, y value compulsory belongs to natural numbers. X value, y value compulsory belongs to natural numbers. Now we have to write in the roster form, as well as we have to find domain and range. Now see here. Solution. Here it is a two-way condition actually. If y equal to x plus 5, then x comma y belongs to the relation. It is the actual meaning. If x plus y equal to x plus 5, then that means if any ordered pair satisfies this condition, that means x value, y value, any x value, any y value satisfy this condition, then x comma y belongs to R. Suppose if x comma y belongs to R, if x comma y belongs to R, then y equal to x plus 5. It is also meaning. Two meanings are there. First meaning is, if x value, y value satisfy this equation, then the ordered pair x comma y is in the relation. Suppose if x comma y any ordered pair is in the relation, that ordered pair should satisfy y equal to x plus 5. That is another condition. So combinedly I am writing this one as it is two-way condition. If y equal to x plus 5, then x comma y belongs to R, or if x comma y belongs to R, then y equal to x plus 5. That is condition. Now leave this one. Now what is the x values? X values less than 4. Less than 4. Less than 4 means which values we have? 1, 2, 3. From the natural numbers only. Here x comma y belongs to compulsory natural numbers. So what are the natural numbers? 1, 2, 3 and so on. So in that one, which are less than 4? 1, 2, 3. Now first I am taking first value. If x equal to 1, if x is 1, then y equal to x plus 5. Condition is x plus 5. So x value is 1. 1 plus 5, that is 6. Now this 6 is belongs to natural numbers. So it is belongs to natural numbers. So we can take the ordered pair 1 comma 6 is belongs to relation. Next, if x is 2, if x value is 2, then y equal to, substitute 2 here, 2 plus 5, that is 7. This 7 also belongs to natural number. So ordered pairs 2 comma 7 belongs to the relation R. Next, if x equal to 3, next value 3, then y equal to 3 plus 5, that is 8. This 8 also belongs to natural numbers. So the ordered pair x comma y, first x value 3, next y value 8, 3 comma 8 belongs to the relation R. Now can you take x value as 4? Not possible. 5 not possible, because x value compulsory less than or 4 only. So we can stop the process by x equal to 3. Now what are the ordered pairs on R equal to 1 comma 6, next 2 comma 7, comma 3 comma 8. So it is the roster form. Now from this one, what is the domain, what is the range? So previously I given, what is the domain? The set of all first elements in the relation. What are the first elements? It is the relation. First elements are 1, 2, 3. 1 comma 2 comma 3. Now what is the range? What is the range is second elements in the relation. Second elements, that is 6, 7, 8. 6 comma 7 comma 8. That is the range. So what is the condition is here? A two-way condition is there, only this one. If y equal to x plus 5, then implies x comma y belongs to R. If x comma y belongs to R, then implies y equal to x plus 5. Now x values are less than 4. Less than 4 means 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3 only. Now take x equal to 1. Y is 6. 1 comma 6. X equal to 2. Y value 7. 2 comma 7. X equal to 3. Y value 8. 3 comma 8. Now this is the roster form. Now domain is the set of first elements 1, 2, 3. Range means the set of second elements 6, 7, 8. That is the problem. See the next problem is capital A is 1, 2, 3, 5. B is 4, 6, 9. He defined a relation from A to B. How he defined? The set of ordered pairs x comma y such that the difference between x and y is odd. Remember here, the difference means the difference of x and y is mod of x minus y. The difference of x and y is mod of x minus y. That is the meaning. So that should be odd. Now see here. First, capital A is 1, 2, 3, 5, and capital B is 4, 6, 9. Now here, observe one thing. X values from the A, y values from the B. So A values are x values, B values are y values. So these are the x values and these are the y values. Now see, what is the relationship given? The difference between x and y is odd. If the difference between x and y is odd, then x comma y belongs to R. So I am adding the condition. If the difference between x and y is odd, then x comma y belongs to the relation R. X comma y belongs to R. It is one way condition. What is another way condition? If x comma y belongs to R, then the difference between x and y is R. That is also we can write, but we can use this one enough. This one way condition is enough to write in the Rocher form. Now see here. Here x value I am taking first, it is 1. X value is here 1. Y value is first I am taking y is 4. What is the difference of these two? What is the difference of these two is? Difference is mod of 1 minus 4, that is 3. So I am writing clearly. Then implies, what is the meaning? Mod of x minus y is odd. Difference means the difference between x and y is mod of x minus y. Just difference means it is plus only. The distance from the number to number, that's it. So is odd. This mod of x minus y compulsory odd number only. So that implies mod of 1 minus 4. Mod of 1 minus 4 is mod of minus 3. The difference is 3. Now this 3 is even or odd? Odd. Yes, our condition is satisfied. Then we can take this ordered pair. So what is that ordered pair? Is 1 comma 4. 1 comma 4 belongs to the relation. Next, x value 1 with 1 all the elements 1 comma 6, 1 comma 9 like that. X value 1, y value is 6. That implies mod of 1 minus 6. In the mod, if you have negative also, it is going to be positive. You can take here mod or just you can write the difference between x and y is 3. If you don't know about mod, just you can write here the difference is 3 like that. I'm writing here clearly because so many students they don't know what is the mod. That's why I'm writing clearly. The difference between 1 and 4 is 3 is odd. When it is odd, 1 comma 4 belongs to the relation like that. In the same way, the difference between 1 and 6 is how much it is? 5. Mod of, that is the difference between, is 5. Positive only we have to take. Is 5 also odd number? So when it is odd, condition satisfied. When condition satisfied, then x comma y belongs to the relation, that is 1 comma 6. 1 comma 6 belongs to the relation R. Next, x equal to 1, y value 9. Then implies the difference between 1 and 9 is 8. Difference between, the distance between 1 to 9 is 8. This is odd or not odd? It is even. Even means not odd. Not odd. So what is our condition? It should be odd. But we got here not odd. That's why 1 comma 9 not belongs to the relation. When it is odd number, then only it is belongs to the relation. That ordered pair should be belongs to the relation. When it is not odd, it is not belongs to the relation. Next, with 1, 3 elements completed. Next, with 2, x equal to 2, y equal to how much it is? 4. The difference between how much, which numbers? 2 and y value 4. 2 and 4 is how much it is? 2 is not odd. When it is not odd, 2 comma 4, the ordered base 2 comma 4 not belongs to the relation. Next, in the same way, x equal to 2, x is 2, y value 6 I am taking. So here also you will get difference is 4, which is not odd. So many are not in the relation. Now it is going to be very lengthy. That's why I am taking only which are gives odd number. By taking which numbers you will get odd, the difference is odd, that numbers will I am taking. See here. If you take 2 comma 6, the difference is 4, not odd, leave this one. 2 is 9, difference is 7, yes. So x equal to 2, y equal to 9. So the difference between 2 and 9 is 7. This is odd, When it is odd, 2 comma 9 belongs to the relation R. Now I am taking which one belongs to R only. Which difference gives odd only I am taking. I am not taking 2 comma 4 because difference is 4. Next 2 comma 6 also I am not taking. Now 2 comma I am complete. Next 3, 4. The difference is 1. Yes, you can write. X is 3. Y value is 4. The difference between 3 and 4 is 1. Now this one is odd. When it is odd, we can take the ordered pair. What is the ordered pair? 3, 4. 3, 4 belongs to the relation. Next, with 3, 6. 3, 6 difference 3. So we can take here x equal to 3, y equal to 6. Then implies the difference between 3 and 6 is 3. So it is odd. When it is odd, 3, 6 also in the relation. Next, 3, 9. The difference is 6. 6 is even number, not odd number. Don't take that. Next, with 3 complete with 5. With 5. X equal to 5, y value 4. Y value 4. That implies the difference between 5 and 4 is 1. Now this one is odd. When it is odd, the ordered pair, that is 5, 4 is in the relation. 5, 4 is in the relation. Next, with 5, 6, difference is 1. We can take this one also. So, x equal to 400, 5, y equal to 6. The difference between 5 and 6 is 1. That is odd. When it is odd, 5, 6 belongs to the relation. Next, with 5, 9, the difference is 4. So 4 is not odd number, it is even number. So leave it. So which are even numbers? Which difference is even? Remember, which difference is even? No need to take that one. Which difference is odd? That one only we have to take. So these are complete now. With the 5, all elements completed now. Now, what is the final relation R equal to? It should be in the roster form. So what is the first order pair is 1, 4. Next 1, 6. Next, don't take 1, 9. It is not in the R. Don't take this one. Next 2, 9. 2, 9. Next 2, 9. Next 3, 4. 3, 6. 3, 4. 3, 6. Next after 3, 6. Next this one 5, 4. Next one is 5, 6. So it is the roster form. So just you have to write or in the roster form. No need of finding domain and range. If you want to find domain and range, the set of first elements is called domain. That is 1, 2, 3, 5. These are the domain. Next range is 4, 6, 9. That's it. 4, 6, 9. So it is the writing in the roster form. So it is the third one. And the remaining problems I will give in the next class. Thank you.